Welcome to Donruss Choice 2607. Let's get down to business. We are going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will go to the person spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom will go to the person spot 30. It's pretty simple. Real quick break. We'll get through it real quick. Here we go. 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The top team is the Utah Jazz. The bottom team is the New York Knicks. We'll copy that 5 times, and we'll have a look exactly who's got what. Over on the list, exactly where you picked up your spot. The the Hornets are in spot 13 to Daniel Noble. Good luck to all. Here we go. All right, Precious Achiuwa, Cole Anthony, Tyrese Halliburton rookie, that's nice. Isaac Okoro, James Wiseman, and here we go. Up first to 49, Jaren Jackson Jr. Oh, what? Tyler Bay, rookie auto to 99. What is that comment? Oh, jeez. A red. Wow, for the Grizz, Xavier Tillman. Hey, Jamie, how you doing? To 99, Marcus Morris Sr. And a blue to 49 of Saddiq Bey. So, good start. Here we go. Next one. I've got a good feeling about this one. Jalen Smith. LaMelo Ball. That's nice. LaMelo and Tyrese in the same 2-box break. Cassius. Jaramsey. Jordan Nwora. Jesus, old school. Dominators to 49 of David Thompson. That's nice. Redemption. We push that to the end. Chris Dunn to 49. Red to 99 of Della Vedova, and to 99 Josh Richardson. Here we go. Kid Reporter Cards is blocking it for us. Dominator signatures. Card 14. Giannis. It's 2607. Giannis Dominator signatures. That is very nice. Who's got the Milwaukee Bucks? Bucks in it. Spot 8. Nicholas Daniels. Congratulations. That's very nice.